Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I'm your math teacher. Today I deliver lecture on page number 33, factors. A number that divides another number completely without leaving a remainder is a factor of that number. Consider 35. When 35 is divided by 7 or 5, there is no remainder. Therefore, 35 is a product of 7 and 8, or 7 or 5 are the factor of 35. 35 is a number, is a product of 1 and 35. When 35 is divided by either 1 or 35, there is no remainder. Therefore, 35 is a product of 1 and 35, or 1 and 35 are the factor of 35. So 1, 5, 7 and 35 are the factor of 35. 2 points should be noted. First, 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Consider 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10 are all exact divisors of 10. 10, a number, is a product of 1 and 10. 10 is a number product of 2 and 5. 10 is a number product of 5 and 2. Consider 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are all exact divisor of 12. 12 is a product of 1 and 12. 12 is a number product of 2 and 6. 12 is a number product of 3 and 4. Consider 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8 are exact divisor of 8. 8, a number, is a product of 8 and 1. 8 is a number product of 2 and 4. 8 is a number product of 4 or 2. 1, 2 or 4 are factor of 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the exact divisor of 8. Example 1. 256 divided by 8. 8 divides 256 without leaving a remainder. 8 is a factor of 256 and 256 is divisible by 8. Find the factor of 32. 1 and 32 is a product of 32. 32 is a number, is a product of 2 and 16. 32 is a number product of 4 and 8. The factor of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. 2 divides 32 without leaving a remainder. 2 is a factor of 32 and 32 is divisible by 2. And 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 are the factor of 32. And 32 is a multiple of each of these numbers: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Consider number 75. The factor of 75 are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. 5 divides 75 without leaving a remainder. 5 is the factor of 75 and 75 is divisible by 5. 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75 are the factor of the 75. And the 75 is a multiple of each of these numbers: 1, 3, 5, 15 and 25 and 75. Remember, the factor of dividend can be prime numbers or composite number.